Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a short video to introduce myself and what my channel is going to be about. So let's dive right into that. My name is Omotayo, but in this place you guys are going to know me as Lizzie Betsy. It's been a long time coming for me and I am so happy to share this with you guys. And my channel is going to be about lifestyle, beauty, where we get to talk about makeup, we get to talk about the latest fashion, we get to talk about latest trends, we get to talk about hair, and even for men, this is where you can come when you need suggestions and ideas when you want to get something for your wife or your girlfriend. Another thing we're going to talk about on my channel is relationship. You and I know relationship is one of the most talked about topic in the world. So we're going to be talking about dating tips, we're going to be talking about struggles in relationships and perks of relationships too. We're also going to talk about all those real life scenarios, all those things that we all face in relationships. Another thing is we're going to talk about tutorials, how to maximize your phone, how to make use of your phone properly without having to pay so much money to people to do it for you. And in this economy where everybody's trying to save, so I think this is going to come in really is we're going to talk about food, but I'm going to diversify and do more of drinks where I get to teach you guys how to mix things together. Don't worry, I'm going to be a mixologist for you guys without having to spend so much money. You guys are going to do things for your family, for your kids, and even for those mini parties and all of that. And you don't have to wait on those expensive dinner dates before you get to taste some cocktails, mocktails, and all of that. All of these and some more things that are coming on my channel. So guys, just watch out for this. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestion on what you want me to do, you can put it in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put on the notification bell. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.